Look at this place. This is unreal.
Oh my god!
Good morning. So we are in Heriketia and we've been here the past few days and didn't really get up too much, but today we're going to get out and finally explore the place. Heriketia is probably known best for surfing and for beginner surfers, so that's what we're going to do mostly today. But first of all, we're going to start off today by going to a nearby sandbar that I found on Google Maps. We go check that out and see what it's like. Julie's just getting ready there as well, so just waiting on her as always. Right, I think I hear Julie's ready. You ready, Julie? You ready?
I'm ready now, yeah. Ready to go surfing. We're really excited. Well, I am, because it's been, what, half a year?
Been a long time.
Well, Daniel's never stood up on a board for a full wave before, so let's see if he can do that today.
That's my challenge today. I want to be able to stand up on my own.
For a full wave.
For a full wave.
Not just stand up for a full wave. Because you have stood up before, but you haven't been able to stand up for...
No, yeah, I keep falling off. So that's the goal today. But anyways, yeah, we'll get going and yeah, see you at the sandbar.
So we just got parking at someone's house and it's 100.
Right. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Let's
And
make
there's
sure we have
these...
all our stuff.
There's these cute doggies, hello. So we did make it to the sandbar and there is parking down here, we didn't know. But you probably have to pay down here as well, so I'd rather pay them cute old men than here, because they have a lot of business here and them men had nobody. Not right, Daniel?
That's right. That's in the local community.
I mean, either way you're helping, doesn't matter, it's up to you.
That's actually cool. I actually didn't know this was here. I just went on Google Maps looking for stuff around the local area and I just seen this beach and then went onto the photos on Google and there's a sandbar. That's really cool.
There is a little restaurant just here. Well, they probably just serve drink like coconuts and stuff. So we're gonna have that and explore a bit. There's not really much to see.
You can go on that island and walk around, I think.
Don't really want to do that.
Why not?
I want to go surfing soon.
All the time, dude.
I'm really excited to surf. I haven't surfed in ages. We'll get a coconut now and then we'll leave. We got our coconuts, king coconut. We got it right this time. Remember the last video we done when we were in Sri Lanka a few months ago, we kept calling this an orange coconut and everyone in Sri Lanka was giving out to us. So we know now it's king coconut.
And he decorated it as well. It looks like I don't know what it is. His ears.
So the sandbar actually turned out to be a bit nicer than we thought. Like, it has a little island with a potential hidden beach. We don't know yet. We have to walk across and see, but we were just messing around here for a while and now we're gonna walk in here. But I've seen a few people go there, so there might be something there.
Yeah, I had the drone up and next thing I seen a hidden beach over here and there's a lot of palm trees coming out. It looked really cool.
Yeah.
So go check it out. There's not much tourists here as well. Like, it's not really that known because when you're in Heriketia it's packed with tourists and it's all surfing, but here it's so quiet. You nearly have the place to yourself, so it's definitely well worth coming to if you're around the area.
My new bag.
Oh, show your new bag.
It's the same lines as my swimsuit, see? Matching.
I'm afraid we're going to get stuck over here as well because the tide's coming in now and it's really strong at the sandbar. The waves are crashing against each other, so hopefully you don't get stuck.
And I can't swim.
Yeah, but it's shallow there, you won't drown, dude.
Yeah, but I get sucked out.
You won't. I'll mind you. Look at this place. This is unreal. This is actually class. We have the whole place to ourselves as well. Like, this place is not known at all. They don't even advertise it. It must be like a local hidden gem that they don't want to tell people about.
There's a doggy as well. He's been looking around for a while. I don't think he's able to get over the water. Do you know the water in the sandbar? So he can't be on this little island overnight. We gotta help him. I don't know how. Oh no, poor thing.
Come on, doggy.
We're gonna have to leave the dog behind. I don't know, he kind of wants to stay.
He's happy out.
Oh, I feel bad.
Come on.
Met it. My phone got wet though. It's fine.
We probably won't have time to get the smoothie bowl, so we'll just go straight to the surf place and probably get some roti or something small just to grab on the way.
I actually really want a P&S, but there's not one nearby. But what I would like is, you know, the samosas?
Yeah.
If we can get one of them, that'd be great. I think there's a pastry shop close by.
Alright, we'll see you at the beach.
See you at the beach.
Bye-bye.
We just spotted some monkeys before we got in the tuk tuk. I'm just checking the tuk tuk because they steal stuff as well. They didn't take my things.
They were friendly monkeys though.
Huh?
They were friendly monkeys. They kind of just walked past us. I know they're above us, but they were nice.
I think most of the monkeys in Sri Lanka are friendly. Anytime we were in like Bali or Thailand, they were so aggressive.
There we go.
We actually got these before. It's just vegetable and egg rolls. Really delicious. Could be spicy. Let's see. And I got this sorry, pancake coconut thing with sugar. It's lovely. I need to get water actually, that reminds me. Lovely stuff, yeah.
Alright, we'll dig in.
We're actually going to do a surf lesson now with a place called Aurora Surf School, and this is the beach. As you can see, there's so much people out surfing, and it does look like beginner waves, thank God, because I'm useless, absolutely useless. You excited, Daniel?
Can't wait.
At least I'm full up of roti now. Anytime I surf and stuff, I get
just want to be able to stand
they're
on the
big
board.
enough waves.
We're not going over that side. We're
I'm
going here.
scared, I'm scared. Okay, right, we're gonna take out the GoPro now and we will get prepared. Right.
Go.
Ready?
Yeah.
No, don't forget.
Yes, great. Now you can see it. Yes, very good. Very good.
Okay.
And don't keep your hands like that. Keep your hands like that.
Okay.
Again, 2 more. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Whoa. First time!
Yes, Daniel! Oh my God!
We're getting there. I nearly struck that time, but I still keep leaning too much forward. You're right. Are you okay?
Lean forward, lean forward. Yeah.
Hey! Well done. That was very good. That was very good. Did you not see me?
No.
I was able to do it today.
Oh no, I see you. I thought I didn't see you now.
Oh yeah, I did good. Well done.
Thank you. Well done to you too. You actually stood up for once.
I know.
So we're at the bus place that I was talking about for food. The reviews are so good. But Daniel got chicken kotu and he's almost
Delicious.
finished. Yeah. I'm still waiting on mine. I got a prawn, grilled prawn, so.
By the way, I put the camera away when I was doing good into surfing, so
Oh, Daniel stood up.
I did good.
I forgot to talk about the surfing. Surfing here is so nice. I recommend it if you're a beginner as well. And when you fall, it's just pure sand. Like there's no coral and yucky stuff. So I love that. But I stood up every time.
Yeah, but I put the camera away because my mum was such a good teacher that I just wanted to put the camera away and learn, and I did very good. And I'm very honest about my surfing capabilities on this channel, but I was very good today.
No, Daniel was good. I seen him. I'm the witness. So now we are starving always after surfing.
I finished my food already.
I'm still waiting on mine, but that's fair because prawns take longer. So this is the grilled prawn I got. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this and we're actually gonna end the vlog here now. I'm peeling. Oh my God, I'm peeling. Is that bad?
Can't see it now, yeah. Oh, it's bad.
You're joking.
Yeah.
I moisturised like crazy though. Okay guys, we had a really great day. I actually enjoyed today so much. Tomorrow we go to a different location, another beachy place, but we hope you enjoyed our vlog today. See you later.
Bye bye.